Greetings, it is January, it is cold, it is wet, it is miserable, and so I wanted to share my favourite pieces of a winter kit with you that have helped me stay nice and toasty when it has been cold out. I think one of the days that I rode it was -5, and I'm not saying I was red hot, but I was able to carry on riding. So yeah, I just wanted to share some of my favourite pieces with you. So I have bought some of these and I've actually been sent a few pieces, so just so you know. But I wouldn't ever share a product with you that I didn't recommend or didn't rate or didn't think was worth the money. So just wanted to get that out of the way, and I reckon we'll just get straight in. And I'm going to be going through like base layers, jerseys, jackets, and then like accessories to keep you nice and toasty. So let's get straight into it. So the first one is this. This is the main base layer that I wear in winter. It's not cycling specific, it's an Adidas one, and I like it. It's fleecy, it's got a high neck. I mean, it's just a base layer, but I guess the reason that I really like it is because any other base layers are generally made with merino wool, and I'm vegan, so I don't use merino wool. So really rate that, really like it, and I've had that maybe 3 years, and it is just still good as new. Really like that. This is one of my favourite long sleeve jerseys, or jerseys in general, that I've ever had. It is made by the brand Kalf. They are sold via Evans, so if you want to have a quick look, I really like their brand. Long sleeve, quite thin, fleece lined, and what I really like about this is the zip. It's got a really tough, robust zip. I know, like, maybe people aren't into zips, but I know it's a decent zip, and this has got a really nice strong zip, and just really like it. This is perfect for layering up with another jacket over top, or if it's just kind of like a chilly-ish day, you could just wear it on its own. So really like that one. Then we come on to this one. Love the colour of this one. This is a Rapha one, and the main reason that I really like this is it's another long sleeve. It's slightly thicker than the Kalf one. The reason that I like this is there isn't merino wool in this either. Some of the Rapha stuff does have merino in it, and this is a winter jersey that doesn't. So I absolutely love it, and perfect for layering, and also again for like a spring or an autumn day just on its own. So really like that. It's got a decent zip as well. Then we come on to when it's a little bit colder, so I would say when it's like below 5 degrees. I mean, it's totally different for each person, but for me, like, I could wear this if it was like maybe 8-9 degrees, whereas when it's dropping below 5, I want an extra jacket. And this is another jacket from Kalf, and I just love the colours that the Kalf brand has. They're just all my favourites. So yeah, this is the waterproof, like, soft shell jacket. It's pretty thick, it is super warm, waterproof, and it's got like a zip up the top. And then what I really like about this is the pockets on the back. They're kind of like covered over, so if you've got anything in there, it's not going to get wet. It is more of a faff, I guess, to try and get stuff out, but I do like that feature. It's a little bit different, I like that. It's also got like a longer back, and it just fits really nice. Like a perfect fit for me. I think that's the thing with the Kalf stuff. I just feel like the fits are just, for my body shape, are just perfect. So I really like that one. So yeah, if you want a waterproof jacket, that's a great one to go for. Keeps you warm, keeps you toasty, and yeah, I really like it. Now we come to the Col, also like a soft shell jacket. Really like this. This keeps you so warm. Absolutely love it. I don't think this is waterproof though. But yeah, it's a little bit fleecy there. It's got the regular 3 pockets, little side pocket. Really comfortable, really stretchy. I really like that because it is super stretchy and just nice and toasty when you're on the bike. So yeah, again, I would wear that when it's like 5-ish, below 5. But yeah, that's a really nice one to layer up with. Now we come on to one of my favourite little gilets. So this gilet I wore when I did Land's End John O'Groats for like the really chilly mornings. Again, it's not made with merino wool, because that was one of the things, is a lot of the insulated stuff from Rapha or from other brands is filled with either down or have merino wool in it. So This one isn't. It is vegan friendly, and I love it because it actually keeps you so toasty. It's really thin and really light, but it does keep you warm. So that you can see there in the middle of it, that's kind of like I'll do a close-up of it so you can see it. But yeah, that's the kind of the stuff that keeps you nice and warm. So really like that. Reflective strip down the back and 3 pockets. Yeah, always good to have a little gilet just in case it does get a little bit windy or a little bit chilly. Or you just want it for some descents, because a descent in winter is not fun. So now we come on to one of my favourite other brands. I mean, these are all really nice brands, but this one, especially for commuting or audaxing, like they are the go-to brand, and they are Probis. I love Probis. You can see some of my old videos. Always recommended Probis stuff. I just think it is so good, so safe, just really nice products. The gilet, this is a switch gilet. This is what I've worn on so many of my audaxes just because it's waterproof, and obviously this stuff, like when you're in the dark and light shine on it, it just like glows like a little glowworm. And obviously you can alternate it, so for in the day and that one for the night. It's got decent pockets on it. Just really rate this, really like it. Then we've got the newer version of their like women's jacket. It lights up. This is like the same as like the silver version there. So it does light up when there's bright lights on it. So I use that for commuting mainly, and it'll be perfect for like cold, chilly audaxes. So absolutely love Probi's products, and not being paid or sponsored to say this, I just think they are just a great product, super safe, and make you super visible on the road. So yeah, really like Probi stuff. Now we come on to this jacket. So this jacket is what I would wear if it was really cold on a club ride. So the reason that I wouldn't wear like the Probi's jacket on a club ride for me personally is they get hot, and that's their like main purpose for me, is that they are not breathable, so that in the cold days commuting you are warm, whereas when you're on a club ride and you're putting some effort in, for me I get too hot in them. So this jacket is what I would wear. It is the Rapha jacket, it's their winter jacket, but the reason that I like it is because it's got zips under the arms, so that if you do get too hot on a club ride you can unzip. So yeah, it's finding the balance of what's going to be too hot and what's going to let you breathe and whatever works for you. But for me personally, they are perfect for audaxing, for commuting, going to the shops at night or in the dark, whereas this is what I would wear if it was going to be a club ride. So this is waterproof as well, and regular 3 pockets at the back. Really like it. Accessories make or break like a ride, because head, hands and feet are the main things that keep you, or the first things that go cold. So this, I love this, is a balaclava. Yes, it's a balaclava. And I just really love it. It keeps you so warm. You don't get any wind down your neck. I just absolutely love it. And this one is grip grab. Really rate that. It's fleecy, but it's also got like some breathable holes like in the mouth, so that you're not going to basically suffocate when you're riding. Now we come on to gloves, and gloves are totally personal preference, because everyone's hands are different shapes and different sizes, so it's going to be whatever fits your hands the best. But I have found 2 pairs that are my absolute all-time favourites, and they are the first pair is like a light pair, so if it's just a little bit chilly. These are by Endura, and then the deep winter ones are Altura. So Endura for the light ones, Altura for the deep winter ones. They're my pick for gloves. And so now, I don't know why it's taken me so long to try these, but I absolutely love them. These are Shimano winter riding boots. They are amazing. They've got neoprene around the top, so it stops rain getting in, keeps the warm in. They are like fully covered, so you've not got anywhere that rain's gonna get in. And I really rate them. I'm really impressed with them, and yeah, I just wish I'd tried them ages ago before. Like my Giro ones that I've worn in winter, I've just got just wet so many times, like completely sodden, and they just smell a little bit like wet dog. Whereas if I'd had these and save them for like just summer best, whatever that is. But these are just like really sturdy, solid, strong cycling shoes, and I really am impressed with them. Really like those. So I'll leave all the links and stuff to them below if you're interested. I'll leave the links to everything so that if you are interested in buying it, you can have a look. I've got one last thing to show you, because what I found with these is if I go out and it's cold, I don't necessarily need over socks or over shoes. You can put them over the top, but because they are so like solid in like, I don't know how to describe it. Like there's, you know, like in summer shoes you get like air vents. You don't get that in these. They are like pretty much all covered, so they are warmer. Last item, this has been a long video, are overshoes. If you are wanting to use overshoes, the best ones that I've ever tried are made by Endura, and these are the mountain bike versions. So these are mountain bike 500 because they've got like rubber grips underneath. Can you see that? And what I find with some of the other, even mountain bike ones, they're just not robust, they just rip. Whereas these are the ones that have lasted the longest. So they would be my pick for overshoes if you are into any of those. And so now that is pretty much the end of the video, and you're probably thinking, why have you not tried or shared any of your favourite bib tights? The reason for that is I'm still trying a few different pairs out. There's not really one pair already that I've found that I absolutely love and would absolutely recommend. So I'm just still trying. I've got 3 different pairs that I'm trying out, and I don't feel like I've given them fair enough tests for each. So I'm going to do a separate video on bib tights. Give me a few weeks, I'm going to try some more out, and I'm going to let you know which ones I like the best and which ones I recommend. Or if I don't like any of them, I won't tell you. So I just want to keep it as open and honest as I can. I don't want to share something with you just because I've either been sent it or I've bought it and I just don't like it. So I want to wait and share what I absolutely love with you, so that you're not gonna get a product and think, God, this is crap, why she said this is a decent product. So I want to give it a thorough test. So I hope you found that video helpful, useful, and also give me your tips and recommendations for your favourite pair of bib tights, because I'm still in the market for a really good pair. So I guess that is pretty much it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.